message.
Well, Pranesh, at present I'm inside Diksha Bhumi. Just some time back, PM Modi basically visited over here. This is the local Pandit inside who basically mentioned about the fact what exactly PM Modi did. He paid tribute to Gautam Buddha. He paid tribute to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar as well. What is written in this message that PM Modi has given in the remarks book at Diksha Bhumi, basically saying Babasaheb Ambedkar के पंच तीर्थों में से एक नागपुर स्थित दीक्षा भूमि में आने का सौभाग्य पाकर अभिभूत हूं। इस पवित्र स्थल के वातावरण में बाबा साहेब के सामाजिक समरसता, समानता और न्याय के सिद्धांतों का सहज अनुभव होता है। दीक्षा भूमि हमें गरीबों, वंचितों और जरूरतमंदों के लिए समान अधिकार और न्याय की व्यवस्था के साथ आगे बढ़ने की ऊर्जा प्रदान करता है। द सेकेंड पेज बेसिकली रीड्स, मुझे ये सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ है कि मैं दीक्षा भूमि में आ पाया हूं और इस कालखंड में हम बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर की शिक्षाओं और मुद्दों पर चलते हुए देश को प्रगति के नए शिखर पर लेकर जाएंगे। एक विकसित और समावेश भारत का निर्माण ही बाबा साहेब की हमारी सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी। PM Modi has basically given his signature also on this, basically saying that how this place is an epitome of social equality. Baba Saheb Ambedkar basically eradicated untouchability and fought for the deprived section of the society, and how PM Modi intends to follow in the footsteps of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and basically he motivates him to get social equality and also basically take the country to its pinnacle by including all people from all castes and from all society. This is basically, as Swati was also pointing out, Nagpur is basically a confluence of several ideologies. There is an RSS headquarter, there is an RSS founders memorial over here, but there is also the Diksha Bhumi, wherein several people from the Dalit community, lakhs of them visit the Diksha Bhumi every year. This is the place in 1956. Basically, Baba Saheb Ambedkar had embraced Buddhism over here with as many as 6 lakh of his supporters. It basically signifies the victory over the disparity that was being done on the basis of caste, and PM Modi has clearly sent out an extremely strong message during his visit at Diksha Bhumi, saying that he's inspired by the work of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and he's going to take the work towards taking the country to its zenith,
right,
based on social equality and to end disparity on the basis of caste.